Hey guys, welcome to my channel Hairliciously. Lately I've been getting a lot of emails from my subscribers and people who are watching my videos asking me to do a video on some of the supplements and shampoos and medications that I'm taking to prevent hair loss. Ever since I've had my first hair transplant, I've been using these products that I'm about to describe to you guys on a pretty much religiously. And I've noticed a lot of reduced thinning and hair loss. And prior to my hair transplant, I've had a massive forehead because I was receding on the hairline. My temples were just up here, just receded. I was probably a Norwood 2.5 to a Norwood 3. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys my daily regimen and show you my arsenal of what I'm taking to combat hair loss. And it's been about 10 months since I've last had my hair transplant. And it's been doing a good job of just helping me maintain my hair, and I haven't lost any hair. And so I wanted to share with you guys the things that I'm currently using. Number one, it's actually minoxidil and dermal rolling. I've used this for about 10 months now, right after I had my hair transplant. And I started dermal rolling about 2 months ago. And let me just show you how much hair that I have on the hairlines here. So I've lowered my hairline about 1 centimeter. My original hairline, so my hairline before I've actually had the hair transplant, is in the back right here. It's around this area here. So let me show you guys just to see how much of hair gain that I have so far. I haven't lost anything. So if you guys see right in the hair follicles, there's no hair loss at all. Same thing with in the center. There's nothing. Now, obviously the front right here is a little less dense because that's how hair transplants are. But if you look at that area right there in the back, the hairs are all there, even on the temples. Let me show you guys. See that? There's literally no thinning since I've used minoxidil and derma rolling. And just, I have so much hair now. Before I couldn't even put it down because even with the hair transplant, I didn't have enough density and it would kind of give me a transparent look, which I really didn't like. But if you guys look now, you know, even up close, there's no transparency. It's pretty much dense. There's a lot of hairs covering it. Especially this derma roller, I started using it because I've read that it stimulates the production of proteins that are responsible for the development of hair growth, and it also stimulates the blood circulation and increases the nutrients into the hair follicles. I use this about twice a week, once every other day after using minoxidil. But I use this twice a day. Every single day, I try my best not to miss it. This, I think, really works too because it really stimulates the hair follicles. It also increases the collagen. And so these two combinations, I think they're like my #1 arsenal that I'm using to prevent hair loss. So if you guys are interested, I'm gonna be posting the link for this. It's on my website. You can purchase it. So feel free to take a look. All right, number 2 is this shampoo here. It's Biotin and Collagen Thickening Shampoo. And it's by Pure Original. I got it from Walmart for about $7 and it's 32 ounces. It lasts me about 3 months. So it does a really good job. For $7, I think that's a really good deal. The good thing about this shampoo here is that it's sulfate free and there's no harmful chemicals. Nowadays, a lot of the shampoos out on the market that claim to treat hair loss, they come with a lot of harmful chemicals that can be very detrimental to your hair follicles. This thing here is very smooth. It also helps increase the thickness and density in your hair. And there's no chemicals, so you don't have to worry about anything damaging your hair follicles, anything like that, and it smells really good. So I've been using this for almost a year now, and I just have positive reviews on this one. All right, number 3, fish oil. The one I'm taking right now is 1,200 milligrams, and fish oil has a lot of omega-3 fatty acids, that play an important role in the maintenance of the cardiovascular system and also tissue maintenance. The reason why I'm taking this is because omega-3 fatty acids are very extremely helpful for promoting hair growth, And it also helps lubricate the hair follicles and the elasticity and the brightness into your hair follicles. This is a must, even if it's not for your hair. It's really good for your body. And you can find a lot of fish oils in foods, like fish, salmon, and those sort of things. So this is what I take. I'm taking 1,200 milligrams. But before you guys take any type of supplements, make sure you talk with a professional. Number 4 on our list is vitamin D. Vitamin D, a lot of people don't have enough vitamin D because they don't get a lot of sunlight, and sunlight is probably one of the best ways to get vitamin D. In my case, I'm taking this because I also have low vitamin D since I work in an office setting and I don't get much sunlight. Vitamin D helps keep the bone and the skin healthy. In recent studies, it has been linked to hair growth, and that's from a 2012 study in the journal Stem Cells Translational Medicine, which suggests that vitamin D can help create new follicles. So they're little pores where new hairs can grow. So that's why I'm taking this. I haven't had any side effects with any of the supplements that I've been taking. And after I've been taking this for a few months, my vitamin D levels went back to normal. All right, number 5, Biotin. So Biotin 10,000 mcg. Biotin helps with nourishing, thinning hair and helps promote hair growth. It also helps your hair follicles look healthy, and also your nails and your skin, and it helps increase the thickness and fullness of your hair. So I've been taking this for about a year now. As you guys can see, I think this thing with the combination of this, you can take one or the other, but I just like taking both of them. Like I said, I haven't had any side effects, and if you look at my hair, it's just been really good. All right, last but not least, pumpkin seed oil. I've done a lot of videos on pumpkin seed oil because I really feel like there's a lack of study that's been done on pumpkin seed oil and the link between hair loss. They do have a lot of clinical research that show that this is very effective when it comes to treating male pattern baldness. There's one particular study done by the evidence-based complementary and alternative medicine, and they published the results of a clinical research study that investigated the efficacy of pumpkin seed oil as a treatment for male pattern baldness. So they had about 75 people with moderate to severe form of hair loss, and after 24 weeks of taking 400 milligrams of pumpkin seed oil, they had a positive effect on hair count compared to the placebo group. This one, it's also good for your body. There's a lot of good vitamins, and it's a nutritional oil with essential fatty acids and phytosterols, and they're all very beneficial for your hair. And so I've been taking this on a daily basis. There are some products that I did kind of experiment with. I've been using low-level laser light therapy helmets. It's kind of hard to be very consistent with them because you have to put it on for 20 minutes. And there's times where I just, didn't feel like putting it on. So that's why I'm not going to include this in my arsenal of treating hair loss. But all these things that I've talked about, they really have done so much to help me maintain my hair. Now, you guys might say, oh, it's because, you had a hair transplant and, maybe you weren't suffering from a severe form of hair loss. That's true. I'm not suffering from a severe form of hair loss. And to be honest, these supplements might or might not work for, every person, but I'm speaking from my own experience. And from using this for anywhere from 2 months to almost over a year, I've had good results. And if you guys can see, there's no thinning. I don't have any signs of hair loss in the vertex, and especially in the frontal hairline, my original hairline. You guys can see that there's no hair loss going on. And for those who are suffering from hair loss, that's what you want. Even if you don't regrow your lost hair, you want to stop and prevent further hair loss because you can treat that with a hair transplant. So yeah, that's pretty much some of the things that I've been taking. I hope this video has been educational for some of you guys trying to look for, natural supplements and different means of trying to combat hair loss. It's a very, touchy subject for men when they're losing their hair. It's very stressful. One of the best ways is to approach it in a natural way so that you don't have any side effects such as using finasteride or dutasteride. And in my case, these natural supplements and the shampoo and everything else, minoxidil 5%, derma rolling, has really done a good job of giving me the good results that I want to see when it comes to preventing hair loss and without the side effects of some of the FDA-approved medications for hair loss. There's nothing harmful about any of these supplements as long as you don't overdose on it. And so, yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Feel free to subscribe, like this video, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.